Hello, my name is Rogelio and I'm going to talk about the third practice. For this practice, we will need two motors, motor A and motor B. Now for this practice, motor B will be completely dependent on motor A. What does this mean? Well, in order for motor B to start, motor A will have to start first. And in case motor A gets shut down due to an overload, motor B will also shut down. Now, how do we do this? Well, first, we go to this circuit where the contact for the overload relay for motor A is at the very top. If motor A stops, the entire circuit will stop. We will also have the stop button right here. After pressing it, the entire circuit will shut down. Now is the start button for A. After pressing this, motor A will start running. Here we have a visual representation of the buttons that we can press instead of these ones right here. Next is the second motor. First, we'll have the overload relay. Now we can technically put this in before this, but this can work as well. Next is a normally open contact of contactor 1, K1. Now this will stop the motor B from running if motor A isn't running first. Then is the start button for B and its interlock. We also have a light to indicate each motor when each motor is on. And we have the stop light. I will now start the simulation right here. And as you can see, we can press these buttons. If we try to start motor B before motor A is running, it won't start. First, we have to start motor A. Now we can start motor B. When we press the stop button, both motors will stop. Now, if we happen to have an overload on B, motor A will keep running perfectly normal. But if we have an overload on A, both motors will stop running. Now here we are at the workshop. Here I have the buttons right here for motor A and motor B. This is motor A, and this one right here will start motor B. I will now start motor A, and as you can see, the light turns on and the motor turns on as well. Now we'll press this. Second light indicates that the second motor is running as well. Now I will press the stop button and both motors will stop. Now if I try to start motor B, it cannot start before motor A has started. So I now start both motors. Here I press the overload for motor B, and now the motor stops. However, motor A keeps running. Now if I press the overload for motor A, both motors will stop. Well, that will be all. Thanks for watching.